very good day as we step into the week that went by at Ambassador School, Sharjah. Grade 1 and 2 students enjoyed an exciting visit to Children's City, Dubai, where they explored, discovered and learned through fun, hands-on experiences. It was a joyful and enriching outing for our young learners. Let's hear from the students about their experience.
We, the grade 1 students, explored Children's City, Dubai with lots of enthusiasm. It was a fun-filled day where we learned many new things about space, science, UAE culture and heritage. Our favorite part was the planetarium where we saw the solar system and planets in a very exciting way. We enjoyed exploring the different stations, learning new things and spending a happy day with our friends and teachers.
We learned about our bodies and we even entered the mouth and saw how food travels. We also learned about science and the solar system. The planetarium show was so cool. We saw the sun, the moon and the planets. We loved playing the games and exploring new things.
Our school recently celebrated Hag al-Laila with great joy and enthusiasm, immersing our students in the rich cultural traditions of this special occasion. The children dressed in vibrant traditional attire, enjoyed sweets and engaged in fun activities that highlighted the significance of giving, sharing and community spirit. Through songs and interactive sessions, they learned about the origins and values associated with Hag al-Laila, making the celebration both enjoyable and educational. The event was filled with laughter, excitement and a warm sense of togetherness, leaving everyone with happy memories of this cherished tradition. Our students from grades 1 to 9 participated in the reading assessment as part of enhancing their reading and comprehension skills. This initiative not only helps monitor their academic progress, but also provides students with a valuable opportunity to challenge themselves, reflect on their learning and identify areas for growth. Reading is a conversation. All books talk, but a good book listens as well, said Mark Haddon. We at Ambassador School have always strived to inculcate good reading habits amongst our students. Our challenging initiative, Read for the Month, motivates our students and refocuses their attention towards reading for pleasure. In keeping with the above, we are glad to announce our winner for the month of January, Eva Ranjit of grade 5B. Congratulations, Eva, on your achievement, and looking forward to more enthusiastic readers in future. And that's a wrap for this week. Thank you for staying connected with us. We look forward to sharing more exciting updates with you next week. Until then, wishing everyone a joyful and inspiring week ahead.